Good day. I hope you are doing great. This is Kenzo, guys. So let's go straight to our quick analysis. We are on CNBC. So we're still on that US government shutdown. I think it's the longest one. So yeah, at the moment we will actually try to see what we can get on the market. But yeah, things were actually going very well until we saw the market selling off. And once the market is selling off like that, we know that something is not really going very well. So as you can see on my watch list, it's actually indices, S&P 500, German 30, NASDAQ 100, US 30, and we also have gold, US oil, and also my local currency, which is USD ZAR, right? So I will actually start with US oil here and start to see what's really happening. And if you check nicely, I'm actually on a daily time frame. If you just use the market or just analyze the market like this, you might not really see the bigger picture. But sometimes you need to go on a bigger time frame just to understand the overall movement. And just to zoom a little bit out, you can see that. So once you zoom a little bit out, you can see that, oh, we are on the daily time frame and the market seems to be still on that bigger downtrend or very long downtrend, which means we still expect the market to continue going lower, but where we are very closer to the support area. So which means I can zoom a little bit closer and just go there. Once we zoom a little bit, we can see that yeah, the market is still very closer to our resistant area around this level, so which means we can still expect the market to touch this level, or maybe the market might break this resistant area. I'm expecting the market to touch this support area and start to push the upside. So that is something that might happen. I hope maybe that makes sense. But for now, I think we just have to wait and see what will happen. I'm expecting it to continue going a little bit lower. I think the market might start to go lower from there. I am actually on that downtrend. I'm expecting a continuation of that sell, right? So for those who wants to be part of the team, yes, we still have those VIP signals for actually $48. $48 you can join our lifetime signals. So just because we don't really update much on the YouTube, it doesn't really mean the signals stopped. We still continue with that. And for those who were previous members, just WhatsApp me. You can rejoin for $5 just to renew your membership. So now we can go straight to gold and see what's really happening. And I saw that it was selling off a little bit. But when we check on a bigger structure, we can easily see that no, man, we have a very long uptrend. This has been actually going up for quite some time, and you can see that we have this aggressive sell-off. So this sell-off actually, it's still not really enough. If you check this nice bullish move here, you will see that this sell-off is not really enough. There is a chance for the market to sell up to this 0.3400 there, 3,400 somewhere there, or 3.6 there. It's where the market can still reach. We still have enough room here. Yes, there is a chance for the market maybe to reverse where it is, but I think we are going higher for a very aggressively. And remember, US-China trade war actually it seems to be easing off. That's why we also see gold going lower. And let's hope that maybe tensions between Russia and Ukraine, they are going to ease off. And if they ease, or if they reach the ceasefire deal, whatever, I think we are still gonna see gold going lower. But if they don't really reach those deals, it means the market might just move around or play around these levels. That we might see the market playing around here because the tensions actually makes gold to be quite stronger. And remember, we also have the idea that maybe we might not really get another rate cut anytime soon, maybe next year, we don't know when, and that it's not really good news, but it's better they did cut the rates. But we will see how the inflations are going to react. Retail sales, CPI, all that, right? So, but at the moment, we are on the lowest level according to what we have here. I think we have a nice support there. That is an area that the market might play around. But I think the best way sometimes is to let the market do its thing here and just to see how it's going to move actually to break this level. Is it going to break this support area or this resistant area? If it breaks one of the two, we are going to continue with that move. It breaks this resistance, we're going to continue buying or look for those buys. If it breaks this support area, then we're going to continue looking for something like, okay, aggressive sell or a quick sell, because the overall structure, it is actually still on that uptrend, right? So let's push the next one, which is US30. US30, if you check on a daily time frame, you can easily see that we are still on that nice uptrend. And once we go closer, you can see that no, we start to see some sort of reversals. And for a few days now, 6 days, actually almost a week. But we have an area where the market, it seems to be struggling to break where it is. Before that, we see that the market did go a little bit lower, but I will go on a smaller, on a 4-hour time frame. You will see that this area seems to be quite important. If you check from this level to this area to that, you can see that it's something. So that is a support area that we're gonna use from now on, unless if maybe the market breaks that to the lower side, then we can say, okay, maybe the market is trying to go even lower than that. So we can draw it like that. Then maybe we can go on a 4-hour time frame, then something like that. Do you see that? So if it's something like that, I think you can start to see that, whoa, this is an area that we can actually use as our support area, or where the market can actually give us something. So you can see that the market has been respecting this level, and you can see that the market has been playing around this zone for a while now. So I think we might see the market bouncing back and start to go higher and higher from this level. So I'm expecting to see a nice bullish move from that. So let's push to the next one. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So now on NASDAQ, I'm also expecting the same thing. So I'm expecting to see the market going a little bit higher. So I will start on a daily time frame. If you can check nicely, you will see that the market is actually on a very nice uptrend. So if the market is on this uptrend like this, I'm expecting a continuation of that buy. Do you see that? I'm expecting to see a nice bullish move continuing to go to the upside, but we see that the market did give us a proper reversal there. I think we have so many the lines are like so too much there. It's supposed to be like this. So yeah, you can see that. So what we have now is simple, straightforward. The market is giving us a structure where we can say it's a proper reversal structure. Do you see that? So I'm expecting to see a nice reversal from this area going higher and higher. So which means from these levels, we might start to see a nice push to the upside. Yes, sometimes the market might change the move or do all that. And remember, on Friday, we have NFP, guys. We have NFP. But the thing is, I don't know if we're going to get the results very quick or not, because this government shutdown, it means people are not working. Government institutions are not really working. So to get that data, might be delayed, unfortunately. So you can see that. So we are on this nice support area, so which means I'm expecting to see the market reversing. I'm expecting to see the market reversing from this area and going up. If the market doesn't reverse, it means we might see the market selling off, and we are going to see what might happen from there. So yeah, I will just have to wait and see. And yeah, for now or for today, I think it's enough. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. If you want to be part of the team, check my description. You will find my WhatsApp number and talk to me there. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Forex. I will see you on the next one. Bye.